Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. Today is very important for SLP because again the price line of SLP is testing a very critical support and also a very strong support as well. That is 6 cents, and you can see that the price line never ever broke down the support in the history of SLP token. And in today's video we will try to analyze whether the price line will break down the support or we are going to have another powerful bullish reversal from here. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this weekly time frame chart of SLP, and we can see that the price line of SLP is once again testing this support of 6 cents. You can see that we have a very strong and key level resistance here at 10 cents, and also have very strong and key support at 6 cents. And the price line has been testing this support again and again. Even the price line did not break down the support here in the month of May 2021 when the Bitcoin was dropped below $30,000, and on the very next candlestick on the weekly time frame the SLP was recovered, and we had a very big rally that was up to 41 cents, from approximately 6 cents to 41 cents. That was a really very huge move. And here we can also see that the price line has been using this previous resistance of 10 cents as a support and could not break it down. And while price line was moving down here in the month of September 2021, in the very first week of September, the price line broke down the support and retested the previous support as a resistance that was 10 cents, and that again turned into the resistance from the support, and now it is again working as a resistance. Even though we had a very long spike here at the very first week of November, that was up to 13.6 cents, but the price line could not break out this key resistance of 10 cents. So once the price line will be able to break out this 10 cents, that is a key resistance, and we will have a weekly closing above this level. Even if we will have a daily closing above this level, I'm expecting a very huge move. Like previously we had this move that was more than 500% rally from 6 cents to 41 cents. So the next few hours are really very important, because we are again testing this support, and we can see if I switch to the daily time frame from the weekly time frame to the daily, then we can see that even the price line is hitting a spike beyond this support. Today we had a move up to 5.73 cents, that is below 6 cents, and previously we have been watching the different spikes below 6 cents, but the price line could not break down this level so far, and it is having nice recovery rallies to the upside, at least up to 10 cents. You can see that we had this rally very close to 10 cents, then again dropped to 6 cents, and we had another rally up to 10 cents. And this time, after hitting the support here, the price line rallied even up to 13.6 cents, and the price line today again testing this support of 6 cents. That is one of the strongest support ever in the history of SLP token, that we can see that the price line never ever broke down in its history. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.